Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Wiezys Trading. This is Eric with Wiezys Trading. I just want to release the Wiezys Order Flow 2 indicator that I've been working on. This is the closest thing I can make using MT4 data to get actual tick volume. It does not repaint. Good on almost every time frame. Very customizable too. Let's see here. Settings. Lots of settings. You can change these and mess these around to configure it how you want. Again, it does not repaint after closed candle. Again, this measures volume and tick data in MT4. The best I could get it, because everybody knows in MT4 that you don't get actual real value of the tick data. But this is as close as you can get, at least that I could figure out. Again, join Wiezys Trading on Telegram and you can download this indicator for free. This is educational content only. Trading involves risk always. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Appreciate you.